are we going for your birthday?
A Build-A-Bear.
Okay. Yeah, let's go there.
We're gonna have a birthday bear.
Yeah.
It's only 7 seconds.
Well, no, you guys wanted to pick something other than a birthday bear? You can, okay?
Let's look for a bear.
Hi.
What brings you in today?
It's Kylie's 7th birthday today.
Oh, happy birthday! Are we rewards members here?
I don't think we are, no.
Okay. Well, if you wanted to sign up, you can do the birthday bear, which would be at $7. It's got the little birthday kitty.
I think she wanted to get
She
a
wants
kitty
to get a
cat.
kitty.
Yeah.
Me too.
Let me get you a hat,
You both.
a sticker.
Okay.
We both.
You both want to do kitty cats the same?
Yeah, it's a birthday bear. Look, see?
Okay. Magic Night Kitty. All right.
It's for Halloween.
The pumpkin guy lights up. I don't know how, but he does.
There's only one left.
There's a unicorn.
Mom, there's only one pumpkin one left.
Okay.
Kitty.
You like the kitty.
Okay. Is it Kylie?
Uh-huh.
How do you spell her name?
Kylee.
Look, you have a tail.
Yeah.
And you're turning 7?
Yeah, 7 today.
I see Kylie's poppy, Mama.
Yeah, she got that poppy last time.
Can she get the little scissor now?
Let's worry about
This
getting.
one, you're Kylie, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Here is your sticker.
I'm Kensi.
You're Kensi. Oh, that's gonna be Kensi.
Inside. Oh no. She's gonna the hat. Look at my kitty. Meow.
Have you girls made Build-A-Bears before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What'd you make?
We went to downtown Disney and we did that one.
I did Belle and then
You did Belle and the Beast?
Yeah.
Oh, I have those ones too.
I made Elsa.
I made Elsa, yeah. Elsa's a favorite.
And this is a Halloween cat.
Yep. All right, girls, here are your hats.
What do you say?
Thank you.
So are we decided on these kitties? Are they the ones?
Is that the ones you guys want?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
I got little kitty.
So, if you wanted to add a sound, this is the sound station. We do have a kitty cat noise.
I want a kitty cat.
We've also got songs. It's not that loud, I promise. You can make it say I love you. Or giggles. Go ahead and press all the buttons.
There's monkeys.
Whatever you would like to put in there. We also have some $2 sounds. We have songs from Frozen underneath if you wanted to hear those.
Oh, do you want a Frozen song? There's a Star Wars.
Chases on the chase. I want Sky. I want her. The kitty. I
You want the kitty? Okay.
I want this one. To the sky.
Okay.
Gotta fly. Kitty.
Kitty?
Yeah, it's Sky. Gotta fly.
Okay.
Let's take to the sky. I get Sky. I want kitty. I want this
A
one.
kitty and then a number 13.
Okay.
Gotta fly.
Kitty.
Let's take to the sky.
Okay. So come on down with me, ladies.
Ready for takeoff?
Look at all the cute little outfits.
Which one's Kitty Sound?
Mine.
Kylie's getting kitty sound.
She got the. She got Sky.
You're getting the sky sound, Kenzie.
I forgot.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Wait,
I'm
we
gonna
got the
put this
same.
in this pot.
How about we just pick out an outfit?
Oh, so I wear a dress. I want a shoes and an outfit.
Okay.
Oh, you guys are staying in Boomtown? Did you guys go to the arcade there too?
We lost power one time.
We lost power a couple times.
Maybe she had enough stuff in.
It was just real smoky.
Okay, so you're gonna hold on to her. I'm gonna set Kenzie's
Every
kitty,
morning
and then we're
there
gonna do the hearts together, okay?
Let me see her. Oh, she looks so pretty.
Kitten.
Okay, ready?
Let me see her. Let me see. Let me see her feet.
How old are you, Kenzie?
Wow, she's so pretty.
Are you in kindergarten?
She's like a Halloween kitty.
Do you like it? What's your favorite thing to do in school?
outfit, Halloween outfit.
Yeah.
I don't want a Halloween outfit.
Okay.
Can I get a
You guys know what
shoes
you're gonna
though?
do with these yet?
Can I have shoes though?
Oh, no, because she rolled. Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah,
maybe shoes.
Yeah, because I'm gonna wear
Good
the
day.
week ones. We had to clean them too.
Yeah, look it.
And then you have to clean
Who's your favorite princess?
Ariel
And
and Elsa.
Elsa.
Elsa
You like Belle too?
Look at there's roller
I'll test
skates.
this one.
Kylie.
Squeeze it tight.
Roller skates.
What are you ladies gonna be
too.
for
Can I try
Halloween?
roller skates?
Do you want kitty cat roller
That's enough
skates?
stuff.
Yeah.
So now we get to pick our hearts.
Okay, you
We
guys
got
get to pick
$6
hearts.
beating hearts or free satin hearts, but we do have special birthday hearts.
Oh, there's special birthday hearts.
I want a birthday heart.
Wow, that's cool.
I want this one.
Okay.
Those are pretty.
Got our hearts. I will hold your kitties.
Mine. I got.
This is Kensi. This is Kylie's. Okay.
I'm the last one.
So, can you girls get your hearts nice and warm? Nice and warm, nice and warm.
That was mine.
Oh,
So the birthday.
got it? Okay. Nice and warm, nice and warm. And a couple taps in there. Get a good beat. Let's see. I need you to take it in your hand and shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake all the crazies out. Shake the crazies out of the heart. There you go. Good job. Okay, so now let's see. Rub it on your cheek so your friend is always soft and cuddly. On your ears so your kitty's a good listener. On your fingernails so she doesn't claw up your couch. Right? On your head so she's super, super smart. On your side so she's always at your side. On your knee so she always needs you. And on your toes so she's totally awesome. There's your hat. Okay, one last thing, super important. I need you guys to take your hearts and spin around 3 times as fast as you can. Spin, spin. There you go. Gotta make sure your kitties aren't dizzy all the time. Now, put it to your nose. Super special birthday wish. Give a kiss. Leave this aside. This one is Kylie's. This one's Kensi's. Good job, girls.
That was mine.
Okay, as soon as we get them all stitched up, then you can take them over there to that air bath. You see the pedal right
And then
there?
we can do the smells.
Oh, did you guys want to do smells today?
Yeah.
Yeah, what smells did you guys want?
I want the rainbow.
You want the rainbow? I think this one smells kind of like a sugary candy. What about you, Kensi?
I want.
The cotton candy?
Cotton candy? All
I
right.
got Valentine candy one.
Do you want to smell them first before you
Yeah.
decide? Here, let's see. I'll open that one.
One of those pretty.
They open like a Ziploc. Yeah. Smell that one. Good job.
Smell it.
Do you want to smell any other ones before you
Yeah,
decide?
That one's
You want
good.
that one?
That one's good.
I know.
Are you for sure these are the ones?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I got a glitter one.
Well, you don't get to see them because they are inside the bear.
Oh, we're missing a sticker here. Also missing a sticker. Interesting. Here we go. Okay. So, still the check.
Three other things.
It's real. It's in your room, isn't it?
That's mine.
This is Kensi's.
The back one. I put my heart in there.
No, you did it. Look,
Nope.
see?
She got them all.
Silver.
She got them right, Kylie.
Yeah. I got him. Don't worry. There you go. Good job. Thank you.
We like kitties.
Yeah.
Cats are for animals.
Do you guys have cats at home?
Yes.
What kind of cats do you have?
Feel my heart.
Do you have black kitties like these ones?
No. We got a black and white one.
Black and white one? What's that kitty's name?
Cookie.
Cookie? That's a good name.
Actually, because she looks like an Oreo.
She looks like an Oreo. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Do you girls know what you're going to be for Halloween?
I'm gonna be a I'm being
A what?
lizard.
A lizard?
She's being Randall from Monsters Inc.
Oh, I see.
I'm being Boo from Optazine. I'm gonna
Cute.
use girlfriends.
There you go. Those are cute ideas. And you're going to be Boo? Fun.
feel like this costume's at home. I know.
Yeah, go ahead. Go wash her. Do you want the little scrubby brush?
Okay. Oh, this is a girl.
Okay.
The family.
Okay, turn her over and get her backside. Woo, yeah. All clean. That's good. Now do you want to go look at the different outfits?
Yeah.
Look at, there's a princess dress with a butterfly on it. Do you like that? No. This dress lights up, it says. Huh. Look at this. There's that. My Little Pony outfit. Do you see any outfits over here? You like that one? Okay.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Alright. Oops. Sorry.
It's alright.
Okay.
Mama, I want to look for my clothes.
Okay.
Can I get some wings too?
No, you said you wanted shoes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, shoes. I like the summer on that side. I got a dress I picked out.
There's Disney dresses right here. There's a Moana outfit. There's a Cinderella outfit. Rapunzel, look at this. Kylie, that's a cute outfit. You should get that.
Mama, I don't want any of this. Mama, I don't.
Look at that. Look at, there's a Anna dress.
Mama, I don't want this stuff. I want stuff over here.
Okay.
I'm a roller skate. Can we do that, Mama?
Okay, what shoes did you want?
Roller skate.
That dress? Okay.
Two.
All right.
I want shoes too.
Okay, let's pick your shoes.
Right here.
Well, no, I did that on Thursday.
Okay.
So
Kylie, what shoes are you getting?
Roller skates.
clear.
Roller skates. Okay, grab the roller skates.
No, because
Yeah.
apparently.
Look at.
They pull up, baby.
Let's see it go down.
And then
Like
that'd
that.
be it.
Okay.
Whoa, there, look
Like
at
a
you.
skate.
He didn't realize he had to do the background
I don't know how they get on. They go on her.
So, yeah.
Finding everything okay?
I think
Did
so.
you want to try stuff up?
Yeah. Oh, I think we just put
Do
them
you need some
on.
help? I can
I'm
definitely.
Yes, please.
I'm first. I got these shoes.
Those shoes. And that's your outfit.
Feel like this.
You done with your crown?
And these blue shoes one of mine. I like my tutu. Oh, my tutu dress came off.
Perfect. Now you can put it on her.
They make these so difficult to pull out.
I got the tutu
So
dress
the roller
on.
skates, did you get shoes for your kitty?
Oh, they have to go in shoes.
They work a little better because they tighten down on the shoe.
Okay. Kylie, pick out some shoes, baby.
Look at my kitty. She has
Very
like-
cute.
Yes. I like shoes. That's my sister.
Yeah.
We got the same hat. Woo! These.
Yep. Okay.
I mean, no, that.
Put the purple ones back then. Okay.
Cool. Okay.
Here's my kitty's dress.
Yep.
Got
Good
it?
job, Kenzie.
Take the hangers.
Look, I can do it.
You can do it.
I can. But we have to pull off the tags or no?
They're gonna cut them
Yeah, I'll
off
cut
after
them
they
off when you guys are
after
ready.
they pay. Okay.
If you're for certain those are the ones you want, I can take them now.
That's
That's for when you hang the dress up. But I can cut it off.
Look, I got this.
Here, it should open in the back. So.
And this is.
And that's the dress you want, Kenzie?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's very cute.
Let me see her.
Mama roller skates. Has roller skates too.
Okay, grab roller skates.
I got some roller skates. I got some roller skates. My kitty's different element.
$14 or pay your age.
Well, it's getting the French being done today.
Let me hear it. Oh, let me see your dress.
There you go.
And her roller
One.
skates.
And two. Perfect.
Wow, those are so cute. Let me see. Let me hear your sound. Wow. All right.
You want to take the tax for the dresses too?
Yes. And then we can pay for you guys.
You can see the videos?
Check out our YouTube channel.
Oh, they have a YouTube channel. Did you know that? Perfect.